think this is right. It's not good. Eventually, if you get enough air in his stomach, in his throat, or in his lungs, he'll blow it out his nose or his mouth. Oh, hey, how's it going?